Well, hello, my YouTube people. How are you doing? It's been a minute since I was on this platform, but I'm so glad to be back. I hope you're doing well and you're keeping safe. Welcome back to the Adjoining Architecture YouTube channel. As always, my name is Irene. I'm here to bring you another beautiful house plan. If this is your first time here, feel at home. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've been here before and you've already subscribed, thank you very much for your continued support. We really do appreciate it. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can get a notification when we have another video out. Today we bring to you the Jawabu 5-bedroom house plan. So without any further delay, let's get into this house plan. The Jawabu 5-bedroom house plan is a home design that is very generous in its space allocations. It is also a very open plan setup. Downstairs, you will enjoy expansive space, open space that is, with an easy flow of movement from one room to another. Here are a few key features that I would like to highlight on this house plan. You have an entrance porch and an entrance lobby. The entrance lobby is long, running from one end to the other. This allows for you to filter into different spaces with ease. It also divides the house in half. You have your main living spaces on one side with great views towards the back where you can set up your outdoor entertainment space and your gardens. The other half mainly houses your utility spaces and your wet areas. Those are your bathrooms, your laundry, your office, your guest bedroom, and your kitchen. With house plans of this size, we usually like to say you can use this house plan for an Airbnb, where you can easily and comfortably host visitors and make money from your home. So that's something to keep in mind. The Jawabu home design has a covered semi-enclosed entrance porch that brings you into the entrance lobby. These two spaces are great and they help you filter your guests, decide who goes to the inside of your house or who you can serve right at the entrance lobby. As I mentioned earlier, the entrance lobby filters perfectly into the various rooms downstairs. Right ahead from the entrance lobby, you have a beautiful and extra spacious living room, complete with a fireplace. To the right of the living room, you have an equally spacious family room. And from the family room, you have an equally spacious dining room. The extra spacious kitchen comes decked with more than enough counter space and storage space. It also has a walk-in pantry as well as a fully loaded laundry room. Right between the kitchen and the family room dining room area, you have a nice and intimate breakfast nook. The breakfast nook is perfect for your informal lunches and dinners, any of your meals, and it also is a perfect place for hanging out. From the kitchen, you have a door that leads you to the kitchen yard. The kitchen yard is located on the front side of the home. On the other side of your living room, you have your guest room, complete with its own private bathroom. You also have another ensuite room, essentially your 5th bedroom. This room can, however, be customized to be a home office or a gym. You are free to decide how you would like to use this room. The entire backside of your house has a wraparound patio. This wraparound patio can be accessed from your guest room, the living room, the family room, as well as the dining room. This wraparound patio provides a lot of extra space for hanging out overlooking your gardens. So if you're using this home as an Airbnb, this would be a perfect place where you can set up outdoor eating areas. Right at the corner, you have your guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is located at a very nice place where it can be easily accessed by your guest. It is very close to your entrance. Upstairs, mimicking the same setup as we have downstairs, you have a corridor or a passage that filters into all the other rooms. The master bedroom is grand and spacious. You can be able to fit in your king-size bed and have space to set up a small sitting area. You also have a nice and spacious master bathroom, complete with a shower cubicle and a bathtub, or shall we call it a jacuzzi. You also have double sinks, the famous his and hers setup, and you also have a spacious walk-in closet. A small study is also provided upstairs, and you have 2 additional ensuite bedrooms. We have provided a front-facing balcony upstairs, and this balcony is accessible to all the rooms. As I mentioned earlier, this is a spacious home. It provides you a total of 397 square meters. The ground floor offers 236 square meters and the upper floor offers you 161 square meters. The overall plinth dimension of this home, what we call the footprint, is 20.3 meters by 15 meters. With this footprint, this home is perfectly suited for a 1/4 acre piece of land. Yes, you need 100 by 100 to comfortably build this home. The cost of construction is going up, unfortunately, during this pandemic season. And to put up this house, you need approximately 16 million. As always, we use the most current construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. So this is a good rate and this is a good budget for you to work with, but always remember a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction, and that also depends on where you're located in the country. That is what we had for you today, the Jawabu 5-bedroom house plan. A 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, luxurious home. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. I'll see you in our next video. Stay safe.